Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious vegetable quesadilla at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and corn. For the cheese, Monterey Jack or cheddar work wonderfully as they melt beautifully. Don't forget your tortillas, a tablespoon of olive oil, and some essential seasonings like cumin and chili powder. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our flavorful filling. Begin by chopping your chosen vegetables into small, even pieces for consistent cooking. Heat a large skillet with 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped vegetables, like bell peppers and onions, and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. Stir in seasonings such as cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper to taste, ensuring a rich flavor profile for your quesadilla. It's time to assemble and cook your quesadilla. Return your skillet to medium heat and lightly oil it. Place 1 tortilla in the pan. Sprinkle a generous amount of your chosen cheese over 1/2 of the tortilla. Next, spoon your delicious cooked vegetable mixture evenly over the cheese. Fold the other half of the tortilla over to create a half-moon shape. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted. Your homemade vegetable quesadilla is ready to be enjoyed. Carefully remove it from the pan and cut it into 2 or 3 wedges for easy serving. Quesadillas are best served immediately, while the cheese is still warm and gooey. Pair them with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream for an extra burst of flavor. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.